Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your images pop in Canva, whether for social media posts, thumbnails, or presentations, adding a simple border can make a world of difference. In today's full guide, I'll show you exactly how to add clean, stylish borders to any image in Canva. It's quick, easy, and perfect for beginners and pros alike. So stick around till the end because I'll also share a few pro tips to make your borders stand out beautifully. Select and edit your image. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and load up your design or start a new one. Click on the image you want to add a border to. Once you select it, you'll notice an edit button appear at the top toolbar. Click on edit and this will open up Canva's image editing panel on the left hand side. This is where all the magic happens. You'll find options like brightness, contrast, saturation, and a lot more. Now, here's something most people don't know. Canva actually hides the border tool under something called shadows. So, scroll down the editing menu until you see the shadows section. Click it, and a few effects will appear like drop, glow, and outline. We're going to focus on the outline effect. That's Canva's version of a border. Once you click outline, Canva will automatically add a simple border around your image. Now it's time to customize it. You'll see a few settings below, one for color, one for thickness, and sometimes a slider for transparency. Click the color icon to open up Canva's color palette. You can choose a color that matches your overall design or go for something bold that makes your image stand out. Then, adjust the thickness slider. Make it thin for a subtle professional look or thicker for a more dramatic effect. And if you want, you can even use transparency to make it look softer or more blended with your background. Once you're happy with how your border looks, click Apply to save the effect. And that's it. You've just learned how to add borders to images in Canva like a pro. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Canva and design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.